So let's keep adding some properties here of powers. What if we have square root of a to the power of 2? That's going to be the absolute value of 2. The absolute value of a. Why do we have the absolute value here? Well, because we have the power of 2, and we know that both a positive and a negative number to the power of 2 gives us the same result. Let's give an example. If we have square root of 7 to the power 2, that's equal to the absolute value of 7, which is 7. And what if we have square root of minus 7 to the power of 2? Well, that's the absolute value of minus 7, which is 7 again. So we can plug in here positive or negative to the power of 2, but then the result will give us the same value. Another property of square roots. If we have square root of a times square root of b, well, that's equal to square root of a times b. For example, if we have square root of 3 times square root of 4, that's equal to square root of 3 times 4, and that's just square root of 12. Okay, let's finish off with some last properties. What is a number? Any number to the power of 0. A to the power of 0. That's equal to 1. For example, the number of 1024 to the power of 0 is just 1. What is any number to the power of 1? A to the power of 1 is just a. For example, if we have 500 to the power of 1 is equal to just 500. What is 1 to any power? 1 to the power of n? Well, that's just 1. For example, 1 to the power of 1000 is equal to 1. And then what is these shortcuts? We have some shortcuts when we calculate, and it's very wise to get comfortable with this. For instance, these are the most common. A plus b to the power of 2. If we have two terms that we add together and take the second power, that's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. What if we have a minus b to the power of 2? A minus b to the power of 2. That's a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And what if we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2? How can we write that in a different way? Well, that's just a plus b times a minus b. And that's it. That's the most common, most frequent properties of powers. Go through them and see how we can use them in the exercises when you revise from the tutorial questions. Let me zoom out real quick to have a better view of all of them. What did we do? These are they, all of them together. Just go to them and take your time. Okay, we're done. See you in the next video.